2012 past question, economics. Question number 7. If the quantity of rice brought bought decreases from 250 tons to 200 tons owing to a 2% rise in price, it shows that there is a change. Option A says consumer income. Option B says demand. Option C says consumer's taste. Option D says quantity demanded. Now, a slight change in demand, a slight change in price of rice will result to a change in quantity demanded of rice. So option D is the correct answer. Thank you, and please subscribe for more past questions.